Filling rows with conditions in Pandas. Input data. I need to create new column filled by value df, b equals nbn, and number. I want to go from up to down of this df, and fill rows by first nbn value unil next nbn value will show up. It will show me which rows are true or not. But I have problem with filling then in the way I need. Any help? Thanks.
Use series.where with your mask and forward filling missing values. Another solution with series.str.extract and forward filling missing values.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.